Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our online English class. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have started a new chapter in grammar, right? What is it? Adjectives. Yes. So, have you all copied down all the answers in your printouts? Yes. Yes, I hope you all have done, right? Okay. So, today we are going to continue with that chapter. Okay. So, what do you mean by adjective? So adjectives are nothing but describing words. So that word describes the noun. Okay, how it is, or how she is, or how he is, like that. Okay. So today also we are going to do some activities. Okay. So first one is there are some underlined words in these sentences. Write yes if they are adjectives and no if they are not. Okay. So they have given some sentences and they have underlined some words in each sentences. Okay. And if the word is an adjective, then we have to write S. Okay. And that underlined word is not an adjective, then we have to write no. Okay. So if the underlined word is an adjective, then we have to write yes in the blanks. Okay. If the underlined word is not an adjective, then we have to write no in the blanks. Okay. So look at the first sentence. The delicious ice cream melted in no time. The delicious ice cream melted in no time. So they have underlined the word delicious. So the word delicious is an adjective or not? Think the word delicious is an adjective or not? Yes, it is an adjective, right? Because the word delicious describes the noun ice cream, right? So how the ice cream? It is very delicious. So the underlined word is an adjective. So we have to write S. Okay. So shall we write here? Yes. Okay. And look at the second sentence. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. So they have underlined the word famous. Is it an adjective or not? The word famous is an adjective or not? Yes, it is an adjective, right? Because the word famous describes the noun cricket player, right? How he is a famous cricket player, right? So famous, the word famous is an adjective. So we have to write S. Okay. So we have to write yes here. Okay, children. And look at the next sentence. Rani has to take an umbrella because it is raining. Rani has to take an umbrella because it is raining. So they have underlined the word umbrella. Okay. So is it an adjective or not? The word umbrella is an adjective or not? No, it is not an adjective, right? It is a noun. Umbrella is a noun. So it does not describe any word. So it is not an adjective. So we have to write no in the blanks. Okay, so we have to write no here. Okay, because umbrella is not an adjective. Okay, and look at the next sentence. Books are our best friends. Books are our best friends. So they have underlined the word best. Is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective because it describes the noun friends. How the friends are? They are best friends. So the word best is an adjective. So we have to write yes. Okay. So we have to write yes here. Okay, children. So the next sentence. Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. So they have underlined the word sweet. Is it an adjective? Yes, because the word adjective describes the noun honey. How it is? It is very sweet, right? So the word sweet is an adjective. So we have to write yes. Okay? We have to write yes. Okay. The next sentence. Baby is sad because her doll is broken. Baby is sad because her doll is broken. So they have underlined the word sad. Sad. Is it an adjective? Yes, right? Because the word sad describes the noun baby. How the baby is? The baby is sad. Okay, so the word sad is an adjective. So we have to write yes here. Okay, and look at the next sentence. Nita has a pretty dress. Nita has a pretty dress. And they have underlined the word pretty. Is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective because the word pretty describes the noun dress. How the dress is? The dress is pretty. Okay, so pretty is an adjective. So we have to write yes here. Okay, and next one, clowns are very funny. Clowns are very funny. So they have underlined the word very. They have underlined the word very. Is it an adjective? No, right? Because they should have added the word funny, right? How the clowns? They are very funny, not very, right? So the word very does not describe the noun clowns. So it is not an adjective. So we have to write no here. Okay, children? Have you all understood? Okay. So the next one is underline the adjectives in the following sentences and fill in the blanks with their opposites from the help box given below. So we are going to underline the adjective in each sentence and we have to write the opposite of that adjective. Okay. So look at the first sentence. Pinky's dress is wet, but my dress is dash. Pinky's dress is wet, but my dress is dash. So first we have to identify the adjective in this sentence. So which word is an adjective in this sentence? Wet, right? Wet. The word wet is an adjective because the word wet describes the noun dress. How the dress is? It is wet, right? So the word wet is an adjective. And we have to write the opposite of wet in this blank. So what is the opposite of wet? Dry, right? So opposite of wet is dry. So we have to write dry here. Okay? And look at the next sentence. The lane near my house is narrow, but the main road is dash. The lane near my house is narrow, but the main road is dash. So which word is an adjective in this sentence? So how the lane is? It is narrow, right? So the word narrow is an adjective. Okay, so we have to underline the word narrow. Okay, the word narrow describes the noun the lane. How the lane is? The lane is narrow. Okay, so what is the opposite of the word narrow? Narrow. What is the opposite of the word narrow? Wide, right? Wide. So we have to write wide here. Okay, and look at the third sentence. Tina has a big house, whereas Ramu has a dash house. Tina has a big house, whereas Ramu has a dash house. So which word is an adjective in this sentence? Big, right? Big. The word big is an adjective because it describes the noun house. How the house is? It is big. Okay, so the word big is an adjective. So we have to underline the word big. And we have to write the opposite of big. What is the opposite of big? Small, right? You all know, right? So opposite of big is small. So we have to write small here. Okay? And look at the fourth sentence. The summer is hot, but the winter is dash. The summer is hot, but the winter is dash. So first we have to identify the adjective in this sentence. Right? Which one is adjective here? Yes, the word hot. Right? So we have to underline the word hot because it describes the noun summer. How the summer is? It is hot. So hot is an adjective, so we have underlined. Okay, and we have to write the opposite of hot. What is the opposite of hot? Cold, right? Opposite of hot is cold. Okay, and look at the fifth sentence. The old lady walked beside the dash lady. The old lady walked beside the dash lady. So first we have to identify the adjective in this sentence. Which one is an adjective? Old, right? So we have to underline the word old because the word old describes the noun lady. How the lady is? She is old. Okay, so the word bold is an adjective. Okay, and we have to write the opposite of old. What is the opposite of old? Young, right? So we have to write young here. Okay, and look at the sixth sentence. The noisy class was besides the dash class. The noisy class was besides the dash class. So identify the adjective in the sentence. Which one is adjective? The word noisy, right? So how the class is? The class is very noisy. So the word noisy is an adjective. So we have to underline the word noisy. Okay, and we have to write the opposite of noisy. What is the opposite of noisy? Quiet, right? So we have to write quiet here. Okay, so we have done that. Next one is match the adjectives to the nouns they describe. Match the adjectives to the nouns they describe. So we are going to match the adjectives corresponding to the nouns which it describes. Okay. So first adjective is dancing. Dancing. So which noun can be matched with the word dancing? Dancing doll, right? So we can match dancing doll, right? So dancing doll. Okay. And the next one, next adjective is tall. Tall. So which noun can be matched to the adjective tall? So look at the nouns: sky, duckling, day, rocks, doll, boy, mountain, box. So which word can be matched? So tall can be matched with boy, right? Tall boy. Tall boy. Dancing doll. Okay. And the next word is high. So which one is high? Which one is high? High mountain, right? High mountain. Okay. And the next word is blue. So which one is blue in color? Look at the nouns. Which one is in blue color? Sky, right? So can we match blue and sky? Yes, blue sky. The next word is ugly. Here duckling is there. So shall we match these two things? Ugly, duckling. Yes? Okay. So next word is empty. Empty. So here which words are remaining? Day, empty day, no. Empty rocks, no. Empty box, right? So we can match empty box. Okay. And the seventh adjective is falling. Here two words are remaining. One is day and one is rocks. So which can be matched? Falling rocks. Okay. Falling rocks. The last one is sunny day. How the day is? It is sunny day. Okay. So you can copy down this in your printouts. Okay. The next activity is adjective search. Okay. Search the correct adjectives from the following sentences and write them in the columns. Okay. So we are going to search and identify the adjectives, and we are going to write these adjectives in this column. Okay. So first we will read. Okay. My family likes to go camping every summer. We like to sit under the bright stars. How the stars are? The stars are bright. So bright is an adjective. Okay, because the word bright describes the noun stars. How the stars are? The stars are bright. Okay. So first adjective is bright. So shall we write bright in that column? Yes. So the first word is bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Okay. And bright stars shining through the dark sky. We like to sit under the bright stars shining through the dark sky. So how the stars are? They are bright. So bright is an adjective. And the next adjective is how the sky is? It is dark. So the word dark is an adjective because it describes the noun sky. How the sky is. Okay. So the first two adjectives are bright and dark. Okay. So write bright in the first column. Okay. And write dark in the second column. Okay, children. Okay. And the next sentence is, we like to listen to the chirping insects. We like to listen to the chirping insects. So how the insects? It is chirping insects. Okay. Fresh fruits and vegetables fill our hungry tummies. Fresh fruits and vegetables fill our hungry tummies. So how the fruits and vegetables? They are very fresh. So the word fresh is an adjective because it describes the nouns fruits and vegetables. How the fruits and vegetables are? They are fresh. Okay. So the word fresh describes the nouns fruits and vegetables. Okay. So fresh is an adjective. Okay. Fill our hungry tummies. So how the tummies? Hungry, right? How the tummies are? They are very hungry. They are very hungry. So the word hungry is an adjective because it describes the noun tummies. Okay. So the word bright, dark, fresh, hungry are the adjectives. Okay. So we'll keep reading. At night, we move into our warm, cozy sleeping bags and tell funny stories until we fall asleep. At night, we move into our warm, cozy sleeping bags. So, how the sleeping bags are? The sleeping bags are warm and cozy. So, the words warm and cozy describe the nouns sleeping bags. Okay. So, the words warm and cozy are adjectives. Okay. And tell funny stories until we fall asleep. So, how the stories are? Funny stories. So, the word funny describes the noun stories. So, the word funny is also an adjective. Okay. So, you have to write all these adjectives in these columns. Okay. So, what are the adjectives? Bright, dark, fresh, hungry, warm, cozy and funny. Okay, so bright, dark, fresh, hungry. Okay, and next one is warm, cozy and funny stories. Okay, and the next one is chipping insects. So how the insects are? They are chipping. So chipping is also an adjective. Okay, so you have to write all these adjectives in these columns one by one. Okay, so I will write some of these. Okay, so first one, bright, dark, right? Next one, what is? Fresh, right? So like that you have to fill all these columns. Okay, because we have identified all the adjectives, right? Only thing you have to write all the adjectives in the columns. Okay, children? So with that we have completed this chapter. Okay, so it's now your part. Okay, you have to copy down all these things in your printouts. Okay, children? So go through all these things. Okay, so try to answer on your own. Okay, and then you can check with your answers. Okay, children? So study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.